Hi, this is a gungram from my friend Steve. Steve is an English-born man, but he's an American by choice. His birthday, ironically, is July 4th. For his birthday, rather than play Happy Birthday for him, he wanted me to play God Save the Queen. Steve, happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday, Steve.